Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm gonna do my nails with polish, nail lacquer. I'm gonna be trying some art that is common for gel nail, but not so common for nail lacquer. Let's get started. I'm gonna clean my nails with ethanol as preparation. I'm gonna paint the up Strong Guard as base coat. The best thing about it is the brush. I love it. I'm gonna be using Playful 24. This is the only color polish I'm gonna use today. It's got fine glitters in it. I just love the shade bluish pink. Now I'm painting the others. It's pretty opaque with just one coat. If you are super busy, just painting once will do, I think. After drying them for 7 minutes, I'm gonna paint the second coat. The texture is pretty thick, so it doesn't get very patchy. I finished 2 coats. They just look perfect as they are, but I'm gonna do some art. For several hours, I can't leave fingerprints on them. I'm gonna use these. This yellow one is from Shein. This one is from Temu. They are nail foil glues. They are not gels. They're white and become transparent and very sticky when they dry. And this green one is from Daiso, a 100 yen store. It's anti-slip liquid. Mind you, it's not supposed to use for nail art. You can use false eyelash glue in place of these. Choose one that is white and then become transparent. I'm cutting out small designs. This nail foil sheet is from Shein. I'm gonna use them like this around my thumbnail. Foil glue from Temu. I'm painting it as evenly as possible. It dries pretty fast, like within 2 minutes or so. I'm gonna paint Daiso anti-slip liquid on the ring finger and the middle finger. I'm using a tweed brush, but actually it's not the best brush to use. I just don't have other brushes for nail lacquer at the moment. Now that the foil glue on the thumbnail is dry, I'm gonna paste nail foil. The nail lacquer has to be very dry for this. You don't want to ruin the nail lacquer. I'll just keep doing it, pasting the foil on edges of the thumbnail. I should have painted lighter colored polish. The foil designs don't stand out much with this rather dark pink shade. It still looks nice. Bone pretty, no smudge top coat oil. If you paint nail lacquer top coat on foil, it will ruin it. I'd say no smudge top coat oil is pretty versatile. So I painted anti-slip liquid on the ring finger. I'm gonna paste nail foil on the whole nail. I'm using tweezers, a silicone pen, and my nail to paste the foil design well. Yep, it's beautifully done. I painted the anti-slip liquid on the middle finger as well. I'm gonna put a nail art sticker on it. Of course, nail stickers are sticky already, but with anti-slip liquid, you can paste stickers pretty flat. Gel nail can cover the thickness of nail stickers, but nail lacquer doesn't. So hopefully, this will help the sticker stick super well on the nail. I'm gonna paint no smudge top coat oil on the ring finger to avoid ruining the nail foil. You can find the product link in the description. Please check it out. I'm gonna use Paradu gel top coat on the middle finger. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. As you can see, it's not gel actually. I'm gonna use acrylic paint for the index finger. I'm gonna use a grabber and a sponge. I'm just gonna dab it on the nail to get magnetic gel-like effects. That's what I'm intending to. In this video, I did this sponge method and it looked like magnetic gel. So I'm hoping to get the similar effects on this nail lacquer art. So, how am I doing? Am I doing well? Does it look like magnetic gel? I can't tell before I paint top coat. I'm gonna use Paradu Mini Nail Gold 02 to give some nails a glittery look. A little on the pinky and on the index finger. Now I'm back to the thumbnail art. I'm gonna paint matte coat. A plate from Temu. And I'm gonna use icing gel from Seria. I feel like I'm breaking some rules using gel on nail lacquer. Once I painted gel on dry nail lacquer, like the whole nail, and I had a big problem removing it from my nail. With this much of gel, I don't think it's a big deal. I'm stamping the print on the nail. Well, you can't really see anything, can you? I'm gonna rub chrome powder on it. I hope it goes well, please. Yeah, it's working, I think. It's not super metallic, but chrome powder did get on it. No smudge top coat oil, again. If you use nail lacquer top coat on it, you will ruin the chrome powder. I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat on the pinky, the ring finger, and the index finger. It's one of my favorite top coats. It doesn't shrink at all. I always use it before applying sachet vide. It's like pre-top coat for sachet, so to speak. Paradu gel top coat and sachet is a perfect combination to avoid shrinkage. You need to dry gel top coat well though. I dry it at least 3 hours. And sachet. So, I tried many things today. I'm not quite sure about the index finger, the magnet gel lookalike. I want to try icing gel on nail lacquer with chrome powder again. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!